Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox and demonstrate the use of this Makita Grout removal. So you can use this one for grout, fiberglass and epoxy. So let's cut it out and see what it's like. Alright, so this is the tools right here. Let's zoom it right in and have a look at the quality of this blade. Now it says here Grout Abrasive, diamond grit 40, and if you go back to the package here, it's got 40 grit diamond, 1.5 millimeter thickness. So we turn around, you can see here it's got StarLock compatible with OIS, StarLock, StarLock Plus, StarLock Max. And yeah, so when purchasing this grout removal, one of the things that you need to take note is the thickness of the tool. So you need to manage to find the right thickness for your grout gap. So this is the one for the 3 millimeter. Now for 3 millimeter, it's quite thick. So you can see here, this one is a lot thinner than this one. So you want to go and check on the gap of your towels. So check the grout gap and make sure that you buy the right size. Otherwise, if you buy a thicker one, it will not fit with your thinner grout gap. And that's it. So let's test it out and see how well it works. Okay, here I'm going to place it into the multi-tool, and then we're just going to lock it in. Okay, when turning it on,